Hello everyone, today I will show you how to automatically turn down music when people talk in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. If you're working on a project where you have both dialogue and people talk, it can sometimes be tricky to get the music level just right. Luckily, DaVinci Resolve has an easy solution to help balance your audio automatically. To get started, select your music track in the timeline. Make sure the inspector panel is turned on in the upper right corner. Then click anywhere in the gray area of the music track. In the inspector, you will see a new menu with various options, including Docker. Turn on the Docker and specify which audio source it should listen to. In this case, it is my voice track on Audio 1. Now when you play your footage, you can adjust the docking level, and DaVinci Resolve will automatically lower the music volume whenever you are speaking and raise it back up when you are not. This simple trick helps you keep your audio level balanced, ensuring your dialogue is always clear while maintaining a nice background soundtrack. That is everything you need to know about how to automatically turn down music when people talk in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.